Hey guys, I finally just got my Rivian NACS adapter, and the design is kind of weird. It's a little bit different from the aftermarket ones. I found it a little bit harder. So to release the plug from the adapter, there's this button here on the bottom. And I just felt like there's not a really good way to hold on to the adapter when you're releasing the plug. So of course, here's the top piece too. So that button is going to release the adapter from your charge port. And let me show you my solution. Um, to do this. So if you plug it in, you can plug it in without pushing the release, but I don't really like doing that. So I'd rather push the release down and slide the plug in gently. But you can if you want. That part's not really an issue. It's just releasing it. So as you can see, if you try and do it like this, once you break them loose, I feel like the adapter is going to go flying because I can't really hold it with one hand like this. So it's different from the Electron and the A to Z aftermarket ones because those ones have like a bigger neck. So it's easy to push the button on the bottom and grab it. So when you release, it's not a problem because you're holding the adapter. So my solution is to use your body. So use your midsection and then as like kind of a holder, and then use your finger to release it, and just like that. So I feel like that's a little bit more of a safer way so you don't lose the adapter once you release. So one more time, use your index finger, push it in, and then you use your index finger again to release, and that's it. So hope that helped.